Welcome to vz.com. This is Ashwini, Maths tutor. Our question is, which of the following number is divisible by 8? By divisibility test of 8, if the last 3 digits of a number are divisible by 8, then the number is completely divisible by 8. So let us check first option A, 3900. Here the last 3 digits are 900. Let us check whether 900 is divisible by 8. 8 ones are 8. 9 minus 8 is 1. Move this 0 down. 8 ones are 8 again. 2. Move this 0 down. And 8 twos are 16. So remainder is 4. It is not completely divisible by 8. So 3900 is not divisible by 8. Now let us check the option B, which is 3904. Now the last 4 digits are 904. If this 904 is divisible by 8, then this whole number is completely divisible by 8. 8 ones are 8. 9 minus 8 is 1. Move this 0 down. Again 8 ones are 8. Here 2. Then 8 threes are 24. As here remainder is 0. So this is divisible by 8. Let us check the remaining options too. 3903. Now the last 3 digits are 903. 8 ones are 8. 9 minus 8 is 1. Move this 0 down. Again 8 ones are 8. 10 minus 8 is 2. And 8 twos are 16. Here remainder is 7. So it is not divisible by 8. And then last option 3905. Last 3 digits are 905. 905. 8 ones are 8. 9 minus 8 is 1. Move the 0 down. Again 8 ones are 8. 10 minus 8 is 2. 8 threes are 24. 25 minus 24 is 1. So this is also not divisible by 8. So our correct option is option B.